Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Trading Card Game. First, the main goal is to take all 6 of your prize cards, or knock out all of your opponent's benched Pokémon. To begin, each player shuffles a 60-card deck and draws 7 cards. You then place 1 basic Pokémon face down as your active Pokémon and up to 5 more on your bench. During your turn, you always start by drawing 1 card from your deck. Next, you can attach 1 energy card from your hand to one of your Pokémon. This powers up their attacks. You can also play as many item cards as you like and 1 supporter card, which offer powerful effects to help your strategy. After your actions, your active Pokémon can attack. Check the energy cost and declare your attack. Damage is applied, considering any weakness or resistance, which can double or reduce damage by 20. If you knock out an opponent's Pokémon, you take 1 or 2 prize cards. The first player to take all 6 prize cards wins the game. To enhance your strategy, evolve your Pokémon. Basic Pokémon can evolve into Stage 1 and then Stage 2, becoming much stronger. Pay attention to abilities and special conditions like poisoned or paralyzed, as these can significantly impact the game. Practice playing often to master the rules and develop your own winning strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.